how do we deadhead our plants? We do it for, main reason is to keep our plant healthy and healthy looking. So all the nutrients are going to the new buds and the brand new flowers that are popping out. And it's gonna make our flower pots look not much nicer and healthier instead of looking at all the dead buds hanging. With dahlia, I go all the way down to where the stem is branching from another stem and the fresh leaves are popping out. So you just clip it. With geraniums, you see how it looks, and look how beautiful the fresh ones are. Go all the way again to this stem, and sometimes you see the baby leaves are coming out, just leave those alone. You go just a tad above the small leaves. So you just clip it, gone. Now your flower pot looks nice and clean, and then you have more nutrients for your fresh buds to come out. And with the Biden plant, again, you're looking for the baby leaves and where the old flower has separated itself. Let's see, like this one. I'll go all the way down to where the leaves are and clip it right above the baby leaves, the fresh leaves. Okay, right there. Looks nice. And with petunias is easy. Some plants you just need to just take away the dead flower petals and you should be done with that.